So now I'm going to describe the data import process a little bit in details. So everything starts with a settings menu when you go to import data tool and you open the import data screen. When you are able to select the different types of data that you are going to upload to RigER. So as you can see right now, we have a pretty much long list of different types of data that we upload. So it starts with the customers and contacts. We can upload sales tags. We upload the users list if you have a long list of users who will be working in the system. So we can upload it just in one spreadsheet. We also upload the rental units and unit numbers. That's the most important part of the data import because everything is working around the rental units and its unit numbers. As you may already know that we can have both types of rental units in the system, serialized and non-serialized. So if you use parts, for example, and they are not serialized, we can switch to the unserialized type of the rental unit and it will not distract you to enter the unit numbers. We can also upload the trucks list. So if you have a long list of different transportation vehicles using in the job, we can also upload it in the system. The very recent addition to the system was purchase orders upload. So we've built the Excel spreadsheet when you can enter all the information from your original purchase orders and upload the whole bunch of purchase orders in the system. And definitely we upload the locations of the clients that you use, where you actually deliver the equipment to. So again, the different types of locations is supported in RigER. So we can track locations by wells, we can track locations by rigs, or just general site type of the location. So here's the actually 4 steps process how to upload the data. The first one is to download the Excel template from RigER. As you see on the previous screen, we have the template link. So you click on the link and you are able to save the spreadsheet onto your computer hard drive. The second step will be you enter your data or export your data from the working files to the RigER spreadsheet and you save it. Close the document, and next step, just to upload the spreadsheet to RigER. Again, as you can see here, you click the choose file button, and here you are able to upload the filled in spreadsheet. The critical point here is just to keep with the XLS format of the file because RigER works with this format of the file. So please keep going with XLS files and upload it to RigER, because if you'll save it in different, for example, the new format like XLSX, the RigER will not recognize this file. And the final step, just check the data in the system. So before you hit the import button in the system, you'll be able to see the whole list of the data that you are going to upload. And if you notice some corrections that have to be done, you can just cancel the import process and to adjust the data in the spreadsheet and upload it again.